Hello and welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm going to show you what we have in our store and different ways to use it. Today we're going to work on having some cocktails, as well as I'm going to show you an easy way to do some arrangements with very few flowers, but you have a high impact. We carry these in the store. We have a set of these. What's so cool about them is they're tall, they're angled, they're sort of quirky, but you're like, okay, so what can I do with them? Well, for very minimal flowers, I'm going to show you what you can do. I've got 3 ingredients for this arrangement. Okra, dried okra, some mums that I had left over from an event we did, and turkey feathers. Okay, so since these are so quirky and they're sort of leaning this way, and they are sort of tall, so we want to get a little weight in there. So just get some grits or rice or whatever. And this is strictly just to add some weight to your container, because you don't want it to be top heavy. But you know, later on you can wash the rice really good and eat it. Okra dried really well. They've got the nice striated angles on them. Okay, so just stick it in the back of your arrangement, and you see how it's sort of going the same direction as the piece of pottery. And you want to sort of treat them as a pair, so I sort of do the arrangements at the same time. You have these cool turkey feathers. This will help hide the stems, but it also showcases the turkey feather. And last but not least, take these big mums. Main purpose, other than they're really pretty, you want to hide the lip of your container. And you just put it right in front there, push it down into the rice, and there you are. 3 different pieces of natural material, and you've got a nice, interesting arrangement for your little get-together. Okay, some other cool pottery we have in the store are these little vases that have a frog inside. They call it a frog, but it's got this little wires in there, so when you impale a stem, it holds it really tight. So this potter made these, Bob Hassell made this one, but he made it so it's got a frog in the bottom. Christine White made this one. She used lace to put the imprint on this one. But what I like to do is take a low flower to hide the hole a little bit, and you just stick it right on that frog. Get a little height to it. And anybody can do this. You're just sticking the flowers into the frog. But we saw these on the online store. We hope you'll visit the store. Again, I'm going to hide the hole a little bit. You have 1 or 2 items you want to showcase. It doesn't have to be flowers. It can be this interesting feather you find outside, or even this funny little piece of okra you can stick in there. Okay, so also people love boxes, so I want to show you a couple of these boxes that we carry on our online store. Bob Hassell did this piece of pottery on top, but he affixed it to a box that has a nice closure to it. This one has a lot of texture to it. This one's lined on the inside. You can keep all your little trinkets in there. Okay, now we're going to make a cocktail. I affectionately call it COVID relief, but actually it's called a Southside Cocktail. What you're going to do is you've got your 2 glasses. It uses this peach mint syrup that we carry in the store. This is great. You can make sweet tea with it, but today we're going to use it in a cocktail. So what you do is need 1½ ounces of the syrup. And we're going to be putting all this into a shaker. Four ounces of gin. This is going to make 2 drinks. And you're going to squeeze in some lime juice. And that lime smells so good. Okay, then you want to take ice, put your lid on and just shake it. You want to get it really cold. If you have a little finesse, you can hold it high. But anyway, you can feel it getting nice and frosty. It makes a nice cool drink. Pop the lid off. The Southside Cocktails. But it makes a great drink. It's made with the syrup that we sell in the store. It comes with this and the blueberry syrup, as well as the little mixology book. It has tons of recipes in it. We hope you try these drinks at home. And we have a blog on the store, so you need to get on there and tell me how it came out after you made them. Okay, we also sell Little Buddy Honey, and he is so local. He's right over here in New York. But I've made some of these nuts here that you bake in the oven. It's a great snacking, while you're having a cocktail, great snacking nut. But I did make it with the Little Buddy Honey, which we sell on the online store as well. So to set up your little display, you've got your flower arrangements here. I would set another little balloon to carry this down to here. We hope you'll try some of these nuts, try these arrangements in these quirky vases, as well as buy the mint syrup that we sell in the online store. So the items on the mantle, all of those are for sale also. We can't really show them all in this little segment, but I did want to at least show it to you. But we do have these nice little trivets that are handmade pottery right here in Rock Hill. A couple different styles. But these look great on the Thanksgiving table to put your hot items on. But these are great little hot plate holders. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and make sure you the online store at chmuseums.myshopify.com. And we'll see you next week when we'll be talking about Christmas coming up, and we'll show you some stocking stuffers that we carry in the store.